that's the only way they were functional, I think, really, right? Because if they put them anywhere else, they were here.
So tell me a little bit about your guys' business that you got going on here.
360 products, wireless technology, some of the best product. We're trying to save the drought, things like that, in California and all over. We're happy to be here. We go to car shows. We bring this man right here. His name is CBB Cool Blue Brandon, because he goes to the high schools and talks to the kids. His car is actually being worked on right now, but he's got a 73, very cool Camaro.
Ooh, nice.
Of course, we use the products, and that vehicle right there is an everyday driver, 100,000 miles. Show winner, also uses the products. So
nice.
Happy to be here, man. Thank you for all what you do. It's a great day in Southern California. Everybody all over the world wants to be here, right, CBB?
Everybody wants to be here.
They gave me a bottle, and I can tell you guys, it's working out really, really good. I love their products. They're good. They do everything that they say they do. And again, you guys have an Instagram, and
yes, sir.
What's your Instagram?
So the Instagram is going to be 360products.co.
Beautiful. Here's a little look at some of their products. Nice car, man. Nice car. Nice car, Steve. What are you doing?
Oh, you know, just living the dream, my friend.
Living the dream. Yeah.
What up, Street Plugs?
Oh, what's going on? Supercars, baby.
Supercar Garage.
How you doing?
Street Plugs again.
There it is, there it is. Where's the car?
Car's down there.
You already know. We're gonna do it again.
We're gonna do it again.
We're gonna do it again.
Snakes on the car.
Tell me.
Right there.
Can she get with us?
Just run over.
Can she get with us?
Yeah, she's
Tell her, tell her, tell her.
What up, Mr. Frank?
What's up, brother? SC Garage. How we doing, brother? Your car's looking beautiful. I love it.
You see it?
Yes, sir.
You're so sweet.
He wants to slobber that camera. He wants to just slobber it. Man, I don't know if you can see that diamond dust in this car, but boy. Say it again. You're gonna tell all your friends, right?
Tell all your friends.
Every one of them? What are you gonna tell them?
Subscribe to your YouTube channel.
Subscribe to Supercar Garage? Woo! I got you. I got you. The heck? Choi? Got your own helicopter now? Check her out. Where are you gonna go, girl? There you go. There you go. You just got to give her a little tickle. There you go, man. Snakes on the Lambo.
Supercar Garage, you're the best, man.
Hey,
and if
street
you're not
plugs?
following Supercar Garage, I don't know you. And if you're not plugged into him on Instagram, I ain't messing with you.
And plug yourself right now. Street plugs.
Street plugs on Instagram, street plugs on YouTube, baby. Go plug in, tap in, let's go. Let's go.
There you have it. The only place you'll find snakes on a Lamborghini.
Let's go.